What's up, YouTube? As you can tell from the title of the video, we're back with 5 things I like and 5 things I dislike about my 2017 BMW F30. Let's get into it. So, first off, we're going to get into things I do not like about the car. So, number one is wind noise. When you're driving in the car, especially at higher speeds, the I don't know what it is, but it's like a little whistle in your ear when you're driving. There is some like guards I can get for the car to eliminate that. So I might be making a video on that pretty soon. If I buy them, I don't know. I have to look up the price because it has to be justifiable. All right, guys. So next we have Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay. There is a huge delay, like 30 seconds, maybe not that much, probably 10, 15 second delay. Um, Anytime I'm on really anything with sound, TikTok, YouTube, or just listen to music in general. When I scroll through TikTok, you can hear the previous video, even though I'm on something completely new, and that's really annoying. And I haven't been able to find any solutions for it on Facebook or any like BMW forums on Google. So that's two. Going to school, you don't have to force Jesus on anybody, but what's up, YouTube? So, first off, I want to say thank you to anybody who clicked the video and came in. Number three. So, number three on the list is going to be speakers. Right after Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth, we have speakers. The speakers are not very loud on this car, um, which really sucks for this to be considered a luxury vehicle. Well, not considered, but it is a luxury vehicle. Um, the speakers really suck, even with the tone and the bass turned all the way up and volume all the way up. It really sucks, which is unfortunate. Even my E46, which is basically the older generation of this, has better speakers. So that's number three. Number four, which kind of isn't just specific to the vehicle, but more so the engine, is there's not a lot of information. So I have a B46, which is kind of weird because most of America has a B48 in this car, and I have a B46, which is what mostly Europe got, and Germany, and basically every country outside of the US. So that's really annoying. And then even like installs, even for the other engine, the B48, I can't find a lot of videos about how to do certain things, unless it's a G20 model, which most of it still works and is still relevant. The sun is in my eyes, so I'm squinting. But yeah, it's just not a lot of information like my E46 had or my Honda Civic that I had previously. So that's number four. All right, guys. Number five. So number five is the exhaust system. Um, it's not loud. That's a problem. For this to be a sport luxury vehicle, luxury is kind of what messes it up because they still want it to be appealing to people who are looking for a luxury vehicle. But for us guys who are looking for sports cars, the exhaust sucks. The engine is small. It's a 4 cylinder, so that's one thing. But then it's really restrictive. But there are some things on the way to get that fixed. Hopefully, the next video is what that will be about. But yeah, I'm gonna throw a sound clip in of sport and comfort mode right here. And as you can tell, it sucks. So that's number five. Things I dislike about my 2017 F30. All right, so I had to move the camera so I don't be squinting. But number one on things I like about my F30. So number one would be it has the cold weather package. So this wasn't a big thing for me when I was looking for this car. Um, but I really do appreciate it for the little amount of time I've had it during the winter. It definitely served its purpose well. So with the cold weather package, I have a heated steering wheel and heated seats. I'm pretty sure that's all. And then heat, obviously. But yeah, that's a big plus because I live in Illinois and it gets super cold during the winters. So that would be number one of things I like about my F30. Number two of things I like about my F30 is turbo noise. Who doesn't love turbo noise? Now, this is my first turbo car, so I love it. That's like the number one thing I listen for. Even with my music up, I can still hear it, and it just sounds absolutely amazing, especially with the dining performance intake. It sounds wonderful. As you can tell, it sounds beautiful. So that's number two. All right, guys. So for number three will be comfort. The car is absolutely amazing on comfort. It has electric adjustable seats. I can go up, down, front, forwards, backwards, tilted. What else? I can like the sides of the seats can move in closer so they hold me in when I'm going around corners, or I can loosen them up if I'm just driving on a everyday basis. The steering wheel is adjustable, obviously, and yeah, it's just super comfortable, and also the springs. The suspension on this car is amazing. It stiffens up if I put it in sport mode, and then it loosens up when I'm just in comfort or eco. And that's a really amazing feature as well. The last thing, number five, that I absolutely love about this car is the look. It looks absolutely fantastic. It's beautiful. It turns heads sometimes. If you know, it's kind of like if you know, then it turns heads. People are always looking, and a lot of kids look to see like if it's gonna make noise. But unfortunately, it's quiet. It's basically bone stock besides the intake. And yeah, that's the most they're gonna get is a little turbo spool. But yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. It looks amazing. And I just love this car. The things that I said that I dislike are really things, nitpicky things, some things that I can change, and other things that really don't even matter. I just picked them out just for the sake of this video. So that's it. Um, Stay tuned for the next video. I love you all. See you in the next one. Have a blessed day.